To indicate possession for people or animals adds to singular nouns, and to plural nouns not ending in s. Monica's dress. The dog's nose. The children's school. To indicate possession for people or animals add to plural nouns ending in s. Dolphin's brains. The sailor's hats. To indicate possession for things use of. The end of the road. The smell of cooking. The leader of the party. To indicate possession for common nouns, house, car, school, table, etc., of is not necessary, and the word position changes. Car keys. The kitchen door. A bus driver. To indicate possession always use of with the words front, top, bottom, back, end. The bottom of the garden, not the garden bottom. The front of the house, not the house front. To indicate possession for expressions of time, zores is used. A fortnight's holiday. 2 weeks rest. Complete the sentence. Right answer is A. Chimpanzees' behavior. Complete the sentence. Right answer is B. Sitting room carpet. Complete the sentence. Right answer is B. Bathroom window. Complete the sentence. Right answer is A. 3 hours delay. Complete the sentence. Right answer is B. My parents' house.